Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to be continuing a series of business case studies. In this series, we are looking at a number of different organizations, focusing on their history, and also looking at some of the reasons they became as successful as they did. By the end of this video series, you will have a better understanding of how and why the biggest companies in the world found their success. Today's video is focused on one of the hottest companies in the world, Nvidia. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, Nvidia stands out as a pivotal player, particularly in the realms of graphics processing and artificial intelligence. By examining Nvidia's journey, we aim to provide insights that are both engaging and informative, highlighting the lessons that can be learned from its successes and challenges. Nvidia's significance in the tech industry cannot be overstated. As companies increasingly turn to AI and machine learning to drive their operations, Nvidia's role as a provider of essential hardware and software solutions becomes even more critical. Understanding Nvidia's strategies, such as its focus on research and development, partnerships with leading tech firms, and commitment to sustainability, offers valuable lessons for businesses looking to innovate and stay competitive. Join us as we unpack the remarkable story of Nvidia, a company that not only revolutionized graphics processing, but also paved the way for the future of AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a business leader, there's much to learn from Nvidia's journey. Nvidia was founded in 1993 by three visionary engineers, Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem. The trio set out with a mission to revolutionize the graphics processing industry, driven by their passion for technology and gaming. Initially, the company focused on developing graphics chips for the burgeoning PC gaming market. Their first product, the NV1, launched in 1995, was a groundbreaking multimedia accelerator that combined 2D and 3D graphics capabilities. Although it faced challenges in the market, it laid the groundwork for Nvidia's future innovations. As the years progressed, Nvidia achieved significant milestones that would define its trajectory. The introduction of the Riva series in the late 1990s marked a turning point, establishing Nvidia as a leader in the graphics card market. The launch of the GeForce 256 in 1999, touted as the world's first GPU, further solidified its reputation, enabling more realistic graphics and immersive gaming experiences. This innovation was followed by a series of successful product launches, including the GeForce 2 and GeForce 3, which continued to push the boundaries of graphics technology. What sets Nvidia apart is its remarkable adaptability in a rapidly changing tech landscape. As gaming evolved and new applications for graphics processing emerged, Nvidia pivoted to meet these demands. The company embraced the rise of artificial intelligence and deep learning, developing GPUs that cater to these advanced computational needs. This ability to innovate and adapt has not only fueled Nvidia's growth, but has also positioned it as a cornerstone of the tech industry, influencing everything from gaming to AI research. Nvidia has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology with its groundbreaking products, significantly shaping the gaming and tech industries. One of the most notable contributions is the GeForce graphics card line, which has become synonymous with high-performance gaming. Launched in 1999, the GeForce 256 set a new standard for graphics processing, enabling gamers to experience stunning visuals and immersive gameplay. Over the years, subsequent generations of GeForce cards have continued to innovate, incorporating advanced features like real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, solidifying Nvidia's position as a leader in the gaming market. Another pivotal innovation from Nvidia is CUDA technology, which revolutionized parallel computing. Introduced in 2006, CUDA allows developers to leverage the power of Nvidia GPUs for general-purpose computing tasks. This technology has transformed industries by enabling faster processing of complex calculations, making it invaluable in fields such as scientific research, financial modeling, and video rendering. By democratizing access to parallel computing, CUDA has empowered developers to create more efficient algorithms and applications, further expanding the capabilities of Nvidia's hardware. In recent years, Nvidia's GPUs have played a crucial role in the advancements of artificial intelligence and deep learning. With their ability to handle massive datasets and perform complex computations at unprecedented speeds, Nvidia GPUs have become the backbone of AI research and development. From training neural networks to powering autonomous vehicles, the impact of Nvidia's technology in AI is profound, driving innovations that are reshaping industries and enhancing everyday life. Through these groundbreaking products and technologies, Nvidia continues to lead the charge in both gaming and AI, setting the stage for the future of computing. Nvidia has made some strategic partnerships and acquisitions that helped it stay relevant. Nvidia's growth trajectory has been significantly bolstered by its strategic partnerships and acquisitions, which have expanded its market reach and enhanced its technological capabilities. One of the most impactful acquisitions was that of Mellanox Technologies in 2019 for approximately $6.9 billion. This acquisition allowed Nvidia to integrate Mellanox's high-performance networking solutions with its own GPU technology, creating a powerful combination for data centers and cloud computing. The implications of this merger were profound, as it positioned Nvidia as a leader in the data center market, enabling faster data processing and improved efficiency for enterprises relying on AI and machine learning. In addition to acquisitions, Nvidia has forged key partnerships with major companies that have further solidified its market position. Collaborations with tech giants like Microsoft and Tesla have been particularly noteworthy. For instance, Nvidia's partnership with Microsoft has led to the integration of its GPUs into Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform. This collaboration not only enhances Azure's capabilities for AI and machine learning, but also provides Nvidia with a steady stream of revenue and exposure to a broader customer base. Similarly, Nvidia's partnership with Tesla has been instrumental in advancing autonomous vehicle technology. By providing powerful GPUs for Tesla's self-driving systems, Nvidia has positioned itself at the forefront of the automotive industry's shift toward AI-driven solutions. These strategic partnerships and acquisitions have not only enhanced Nvidia's technological prowess, but have also reinforced its market leadership, allowing the company to adapt to evolving industry demands and maintain a competitive edge in a rapidly changing landscape. Nvidia currently holds a dominant position in the GPU market, recognized as the leading provider of graphics processing units for gaming, professional visualization, and data centers. With a market share that consistently surpasses its competitors, including AMD and Intel, Nvidia has established itself as the go-to choice for gamers and professionals alike. Its GeForce line of graphics cards is particularly revered, known for delivering exceptional performance and cutting-edge features that enhance the gaming experience. This dominance is not merely a result of superior products. It is also a reflection of Nvidia's strategic focus on innovation and research and development. Innovation is at the heart of Nvidia's success. The company invests heavily in R&D, continually pushing the envelope to develop new technologies that meet the evolving needs of its customers. From advancements in real-time ray tracing to AI-driven graphics enhancements, Nvidia's commitment to innovation ensures that it remains ahead of the curve. This proactive approach not only solidifies its market leadership, but also sets industry standards that competitors strive to meet. Another critical factor contributing to Nvidia's success is its strong brand loyalty. Gamers, developers, and enterprises trust Nvidia for its reliability and performance, often choosing its products over competitors. This loyalty is cultivated through consistent product quality, exceptional customer support, and a robust ecosystem of software and tools that enhance the user experience. As a result, Nvidia enjoys a dedicated customer base that is less likely to switch to alternative brands, further reinforcing its competitive advantage in the market. Together, these elements create a formidable position for Nvidia, allowing it to thrive in a highly competitive landscape. So what challenges have they faced, and what is Nvidia's true future outlook? Despite its strong market position, Nvidia faces several challenges that could impact its future prospects in the tech industry. One significant hurdle is the ongoing supply chain issues that have affected many technology companies globally. The semiconductor shortage has led to delays in production and distribution, making it difficult for Nvidia to meet the high demand for its GPUs. This situation has not only frustrated consumers, but has also opened the door for competitors like AMD and Intel to capture market share. As these companies continue to innovate and release competitive products, Nvidia must remain vigilant to maintain its leadership. Additionally, Nvidia is navigating a complex regulatory landscape, particularly concerning its acquisitions and market practices. The proposed acquisition of ARM Holdings has faced scrutiny from regulators worldwide, raising concerns about potential monopolistic behavior. To address these challenges, Nvidia has adopted strategies to engage with regulatory bodies and demonstrate the benefits of its acquisitions for innovation and competition in the tech sector. By fostering transparency and collaboration, Nvidia aims to mitigate regulatory risks and secure its growth trajectory. Looking ahead, the future trends in AI and gaming present both opportunities and challenges for Nvidia. As AI continues to permeate various industries, the demand for powerful GPUs is expected to rise. However, this also means increased competition as more players enter the AI space. In gaming, the rise of cloud gaming and virtual reality could reshape how consumers interact with technology, requiring Nvidia to adapt its offerings accordingly. By staying ahead of these trends and continuing to innovate, Nvidia can position itself for sustained success in an ever-evolving landscape. In this video, we explored the remarkable journey of Nvidia, a company that has not only transformed the graphics processing industry, but has also become a leader in artificial intelligence and deep learning. We highlighted how strategic partnerships and acquisitions, such as the purchase of Mellanox Technologies, have fueled Nvidia's growth and enhanced its market position. A central theme throughout our discussion was the importance of innovation and strategic planning. Nvidia's commitment to research and development has allowed it to stay ahead of competitors like AMD and Intel, ensuring that it continues to deliver cutting-edge products that meet the demands of gamers and professionals alike. Additionally, we examined the challenges Nvidia faces, including supply chain issues and regulatory scrutiny, while also speculating on future trends in AI and gaming that could impact the company. As we wrap up, it's clear that Nvidia's success is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing tech landscape. We encourage you to reflect on the lessons learned from Nvidia's case study, particularly the significance of strategic foresight and continuous improvement. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring for your own ventures. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more engaging content like this, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and colleagues who might benefit from learning about Nvidia's strategies and lessons. Be sure to follow along as we continue the rest of our business case study series, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.